Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to delete field name from FINSC ACDOC FCT table. So enter transaction code here SE11, then press enter. In data table type FINSC underscore ACDOC underscore FCT. Then click on display here. Then go to utilities here. Then click on table content. Then click on display here. Click on execute. So here you can see all the table details. Suppose I have to delete this ART NRG underscore PA. So double click on this. Enter /H to on the debugging mode. You can see here the debugging switched on. Then press enter here. Then click on desktop 3 here. Then variable type code here. Press enter. Click on change here. And type edit here. Press enter. Click on effect. And remove this field from here. Then click on save. Again press back. Double click on this. Again press /H to on the debugging mode. Then press enter. Again go to desktop 3. And here click on change. Type delete here. Enter. Click on effect here. Enter. Click on this delete entry here. Check the message below. We can see the database record is deleted. Copy this record and go to SE16N. Type the field name here. Click on execute. You can see the message below. No values found for this field name. So by this way you can delete unwanted field from this table in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on SAP YouTube.